Replacing the LED strip on your 11-foot market umbrella is easy. Just follow these simple instructions. The LED strip can be changed with the umbrella in the stand. However, you may find it easier to remove the umbrella from the stand and lay it on a flat, clean surface. To begin, remove the Phillips head screw and washer located at the rib end bracket. Next, pull out the resin end cap plug on the rib end. Remove the small black plastic block at the end of the rib. Reach inside the rib end and seize the red and black wires and pull them out gently to expose the connection point. Press on the pop-up piece and disconnect the plug from the socket. These are small parts, so it does not require a lot of force to disconnect this component. Next, pull out the old LED strip. Slide the new LED strip into the rib. Reconnect the plug and socket and push the assembled plug and socket back into the rib end. Put the black plastic block at the end back in place and reinsert the resin plug into the rib end. Place the metal bracket back over the rib end and secure back into place using the washer and Phillips head screw. If you conducted this replacement, lying the umbrella flat on a clean surface, it is now ready for use and can be returned to the umbrella stand. Your 11-foot LED umbrella is now ready for use.